Hi, my name is Anand. Today I'm going to present my project on analysis of diabetes through exploratory data analysis, which is commonly known as EDA process. We have agenda for this project. Firstly, it starts with introduction, followed with related work, methods, and dataset used. What is EDA process? And followed with hypothesis, discussion, and future work. Coming to introduction, here the dataset we have taken is diabetes. From this dataset, we can create models and predict hypotheses by using the attributes in the dataset. With the help of this prediction, it makes the analysis far better in the health sectors. What is the related work that has undergone in this diabetic world? That is, few researchers and authors have published several papers on diabetes. Out of this, I have taken few works and have given the proverbs or the works that they have taken, they have published in their research. For example, as the people age progresses, the diabetics is also increasing all over the world, irrespective of the area. Now, coming to the methods and dataset used, as I mentioned earlier, we have used uh, diabetes.csv file, and the methods I have used here are EDA process, and with the help of Python, MATLAB, I have uh, analyzed the dataset and predicted the analysis. Here in this dataset, we have different attributes such as age, pregnancy, BMI, glucose, insulin, skin thickness. These are the attributes, different attributes we have in this dataset. Adding to this, we have used Python as I mentioned earlier, and MATLAB, Pandas, and Seaborn has used to manipulate and visualize the data. Now here comes the EDA process, explanatory data analysis. Uh, in short, it is used to structure the data and analyze it. We have uh, many functions for it to define the dataset, to know how many columns, how many rows are there, uh, to know whether there are any null values or not. After completing all these things, we are good to go for visualizing the dataset. So here are the few samples of EDA process. After that, we have did hypothesis using scatter plot, box plot, hexagon plot, correlation coefficient plot, and multiple histograms. Scatter plot is done with the BMI and the age factor, whereas hexagon plot is taken between the glucose and insulin attributes, and multiple histogram and correlation coefficient plot is drawn between the age and the remaining attributes. Here are the few examples of this hypothesis, how these graphs are drawn. Now coming to the discussion, uh, with the help of scatter plot and histograms, we can able to establish a connection between BMI and insulin and glucose level attributes. By using Python and MATLAB and Seaborn, we can able to visualize the data. So with the help of these type of visualizations, we can able to predict the data and help the people to develop the models which influence the health strategies, and it shapes up the research on diabetes. Now coming to the future work, uh, with the help of this kind of analysis, we can able to train the machines which helps in machine learning processes, and we can able to increase public health campaigns and educational programs which with the help of this kind of data analysis on diabetes. These are the future works that one can help, uh, and adding to this, uh, one can personalize their health by having these genetic syndromes by analysis through the genetics, and the lifestyle is provided in these models. These are the references that I have taken. Uh, Finally, thank you for giving this opportunity.